Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to install Python in our machine Windows 10. So first we'll go to Google and we'll type Python, 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 and here this is the official website of Python. So we'll go to here. Okay, and then you can see here there are lots of tool menu. So we'll go to here, and as you can see here 3.10.2 is version is available, so we'll click here. So this is started downloading the MB is 26. Okay, so it we should wait for some time. Yeah, it's downloaded. Now we can directly open from here. So here either you can customize installation or directly you can install. So you can click here and customize installation, then click on next. Then we need all the standard library. So and this is going to install in this folder in C drive. So you can change also. Just install it. Click yes. Started installing. It will wait. It will take for some time. So it is giving a message setup was successful. So we are going to close this. Now what we'll do, we'll go to here command prompt and we'll type in start command prompt. Okay, command prompt, and here we'll check whether Python has installed or not. So we'll type here Python minus minus version, then click enter. So it is installed successfully 3.10.2 the version. Now we'll search here Python. Okay, so we are going to open this. Now we can print here some message, print, or same like we printing in Java. Hello everyone, and we'll close this, then we'll hit enter. See, this message has been printed. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.